vending machines, soft drinks, snacks, and even gold. Hi, I'm Amy from Nauggets. When the world's first gold vending machine was unveiled in Abu Dhabi 12 years ago, people's heads turned with surprise. Guests of the Emirates Palace Hotel can check out with a shiny but unconventional souvenir. This vending machine grants 24-karat magic on the go in customized gold coins and bars. All you have to do is insert cash or card and provide valid ID. That's it, and you get your gold. Your gold is valued accurately too, as prices are updated every minute to reflect the market. So, you can either go to a vending machine in Abu Dhabi or buy your gold using the Nauggets app to get access to gold in its easiest form.